Hello, this is John with Anthem, and we're going to go over how to take a payment and close the ticket. More or less, this one's going to be over how to do cash payments. I'll do credit card payments and custom tenders on another one, but I'll show you where they're located on this one too. So once you're done, ready to close out this ticket and take payment, you need to go to the checkout screen over here on the left. It's going to show you your total due and your breakdown here, and it's going to auto-populate the exact change up here. Now you can type in something else, like if they give you $40, you can manually type that in, but you've also got quick tenders here. So if they gave you $38 or $40 or $50, then you could do the quick buttons there and it'll pop the drawer open and do all that. If you hit the cash button, it's going to assume whatever you type in up here. So if you don't type anything in at all, it's going to assume exact amount there. So well, I'll enter the amount here in a second, but let me show you here. This card button here is for credit cards. So when you press this button, it's going to wake up the pin pad screen and you're gonna follow the steps on the pin pad. Like I said, that's in another video. So go look at that video. And then Anthem is what I created a custom tender just to show how to create a custom tender, and Anthem just happens to be what I called it. It can usually be called anything, it just depends on the situation. I've had college basketball teams needing custom tender, so you just name it after that college basketball team or whatever the case may be. You can it's customizable, which is the point of the custom tender. But to do cash payments, it's all right here. So we'll just go ahead and manually type in the $40 and then hit cash. It'll show you your change due here in the middle. It'll also show you your tender over here. And now that one should show up as being closed right here. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.